day, students. This is Helizchem. We want to look at methods of collection of gases. There are two main methods of gas collection. What are they? One, we have downward delivery of water, or otherwise known as upward displacement of air. Upward displacement of air. That is the first method. The other method is upward delivery of water, or downward displacement of air. So these are the two methods of gas collection. But when you look at these two methods, downward delivery of water or upward displacement of air, and the second one, which is upward delivery of water or downward displacement of air. These two methods of gas collection depends on two main factors. Before you can pick or choose any one of these methods for a particular gas collection, you have to consider these factors. One of the factors is density of the gas, and the second one is solubility of the gas. Before you can collect any gas using any of these two methods, you have to consider the density. And this now implies that if there's any gas which is denser than air, then such a gas will be collected by downward delivery. That is, any gas which is denser than air will be collected by what? Downward delivery of water. But if a gas is less dense than air, then such a gas will be collected by upward delivery of water. What am I saying? Any gas which is less dense than air will be collected by what? Upward delivery of water, otherwise known as downward displacement of air. We can collect gases like CO2 by downward delivery of water, and gases like ammonia can be collected by upward delivery of water. This is downward delivery, and this is upward delivery of water. But how will you know whether a particular gas will be collected by downward delivery of water or upward delivery of water? I've said it earlier on. You have to look at the density. If a gas is denser than air, then you will use downward delivery. But if such a gas is less than air, then you will use upward delivery. Then the question that I want to ask you is that, how will you know which of the gases is less dense or which one is denser. You don't need to cram anything. Just stay tuned on this same channel, Helizchem, as I will be bringing you how to know gases that are less dense or denser than air, so that you'll be able to know which of the two methods will be used to collect such a gas. Watch out for part 2 of this topic, which is knowing gases that displace air, or knowing gases that is denser or less dense than air. I hope you got value from this little topic treated today. Stay tuned on the same channel, Helizchem, because Helizchem got you covered.